Okay, now what we're going to do is study a supply shock using the quote unquote hard version or the short run, long run version of line demand curve. Okay, so we're starting off here in equilibrium. Okay, and when you have a supply shock, uh, the change is slightly different. Let's go through that. So suppose we have a supply shock, an increase in technology. What that does is the following. Okay, it shifts the average total cost curve down because it becomes cheaper per unit. And I'm going to try to make the J, the marginal cost, go through the bottom of the new average total cost curve, something like that. Okay. It shifts the average total cost curve down from ATC to ATC2. Why? Because when you increase technology, it allows you to produce things cheaper. Okay? So the per unit cost of producing pizza, TV, whatever, falls. Okay? So in the short run, what firms are doing is this is the price, still the price. It hits marginal revenue, hits marginal cost still right here. Okay. And so they're still producing at Q star, at little Q star. And the market is still producing big Q star, but now firms are making killer profits. Okay? So at this price is marginal revenue right here, price. And at this quantity, it hits average total cost down here. Okay? That's the new average total cost. So these companies in the short run are making profit. Okay? Shifts average total cost down from ATC to ATC2. Okay? The short run. Firms charge P star the same price and produce Q star the same quantity, but makes positive profit greater than zero. It makes positive economic profit. Okay? All right, so that's the short run. Well, what happens in the long run? In the long run, other firms see this and they enter and adopt the same new technology. Remember in chapter 14, there's no secret recipe, secret sauce. Everybody could use the same new advanced technology as everybody else. They adopt the new technology and they create a price war. So when these new firms enter and they adopt the new technology, instead of charging P star, they charge less than P star. They start a price war. And this continues until we have the following, until we get to the new long run supply curve. Draw it in red. Right here. Close to the bottom right there or so. This is the new long run supply curve. Long run supply 2. The firms produce, in this case, less. To double star. And the short run supply curve shifts outwards. To short run supply 2. And you have new amount of output at the market. So in the long run, what happens is the following. New firms enter and charge charge lower price and starts price war. Okay. This shifts or increases short run supply to short run supply 2. What it also does is reduces long run supply to long run supply 2. And this is at a point where the price falls to P double star. Okay. And what else is there? Oh, quantity that is produced by the firms falls from Q star to Q double star. And profit is again equal to 0. So I think that is everything. Okay, so in the short run, we're maintained up here. And firms are making this profit. But in the long run, new firms enter, shown by a shift in the short run supply curve. And because of the price war, a shift downward in the price or the long run supply curve as well. And that causes individual firms to produce less. It causes the market to have more at a lower price, and profit going back to 0. This is the end of the lecture on the long run and short run supply and demand model. Okay, have a good day.